Hello guys, it's teacher Joe. Welcome to this logical math tutorial. Today we're going to start the third term and we're going to be focused on the 3D shapes. So, welcome. What is our purpose? First, to identify 3D shapes properties and to relate real-world objects to the 3D shapes. Did you know that our world is full of 3D shapes? Okay, I'm going to show you what are they.
Three-dimensional or 3D shapes are shapes that take up space. They have 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. The world is made up of 3D shapes. They are all the things we can hold. Your book is a 3D shape. So is your soccer ball, as well as your birthday presents. Can you see how they each take up space? There are some features that are common across 3-dimensional shapes. These features include faces, edges, and corners.
Okay guys, now we're going to play a little bit to start recognizing what are the solid shapes. So to do that, we are going to the blog and we look for the logical math area. Now we are here and we scroll to find this game. The name of this game is Can You Sort These Geometric Solids? So we click on it. Now that we are here, we look for the link, which is over here, and click again. Now guys, we are in this website, GeoGebra. It's an excellent place to practice, and the first activity is to classify these solid shapes into 3 groups. So we have the pyramids, we have the cuboids, and we have the cubes. So let's start with this shape. Do you think that this is a pyramid? Does it look similar? What about this? Do you think that this is a cuboid? Or do you think this is a cube? Perfect guys. As you see, this is a cube. Now you have to do the same with the rest of the shapes. When you finish this activity, you can move to the second exercise. It is quite similar. In this case, we are looking for objects from our daily houses or surroundings, and we're going to classify them in the same groups. For example, this fish tank. What do you think, guys? Is this a pyramid? Or is this a cuboid? Perfect. So we're going to do the same exercise. Finally, we are going to check in this game what are the names of these solid shapes. So, if you remember the video, we talked about this one as a cuboid. So, it is right. Then you go to the next task and you see the next solid shape. What is this? Is it a cube? Is it a pyramid? Or is it a cuboid? Well, it is a cube. Perfect. And you continue. These 3 games are the ones that I want you to practice, but if you want to continue, we have more games over here. So, for example, we practice the same with these objects to identify the name, or we can find which one of these is the pyramid. So in this case, this is the pyramid, so I put it inside of the square and it looks that I did it. So guys, this is the activity for today. Enjoy these games, practice. You don't have to send any evidences and just enjoy it. I miss you guys and see you the next time.